Welcome back to Car World, where passion meets performance and imagination meets innovation. Today we are exploring one of the most talked about and futuristic automotive ideas of 2025, the Ferrari Motorhome. This is not just a vehicle, it's a bold statement that blends Ferrari's racing DNA with luxury travel, creating something that feels straight out of the future. At first glance, the Ferrari Motorhome looks unlike any traditional RV you have ever seen. It carries the unmistakable Ferrari design language, low-slung, aggressive, and aerodynamic, even though it's a large motorhome. The front fascia feels inspired by Ferrari's supercars, with sharp LED headlights, a sculpted nose, and wide air intakes that give it a powerful road presence. The iconic Ferrari badge on the front instantly tells you this is not an ordinary recreational vehicle. The body lines flow smoothly from front to back, reducing drag and giving the motorhome a sporty silhouette rather than a boxy shape. The exterior design focuses heavily on carbon fiber and lightweight aluminum panels, keeping weight under control while maintaining strength. Large panoramic windows run along the sides, offering breathtaking views from inside while also enhancing the futuristic look. The wheels are massive, custom-designed alloy rims with performance tires that hint at Ferrari's racing heritage. At the rear, sleek LED tail lamps and an integrated diffuser complete the look, making the motorhome appear fast even when it's standing still. Step inside the Ferrari motorhome and you enter a world where motorsport luxury meets five-star hospitality. The interior feels more like a high-end Ferrari Grand Tourer combined with a luxury yacht. Premium Italian leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber accents dominate the cabin. Every surface feels handcrafted, with attention to detail that Ferrari is known for. The color themes are customizable, allowing owners to choose classic Ferrari red, elegant black, or modern two-tone combinations. The driver's cockpit is inspired by Ferrari supercars, featuring a flat-bottom steering wheel with integrated controls, paddle shifters, and a fully digital instrument cluster. The infotainment system is large, responsive, and seamlessly integrated, offering navigation, entertainment, vehicle controls, and smart connectivity. Despite being a motorhome, the driving position feels sporty and engaging rather than bulky. Behind the cockpit, the living area opens up into a spacious lounge. There are plush reclining seats, a convertible dining table, and ambient lighting that can be adjusted according to mood or time of day. The panoramic roof adds to the sense of openness, flooding the interior with natural light. Ferrari has clearly focused on making long journeys comfortable without losing the thrill of driving. The sleeping area is equally impressive, offering a luxury bedroom with a king-size bed, premium mattresses, and noise insulation for peaceful rest. Storage solutions are cleverly hidden, ensuring the interior remains clean and uncluttered. The bathroom feels more like a hotel spa, with a rain shower, premium fittings, and high-quality finishes. Performance is where the Ferrari motorhome truly sets itself apart. Under the hood, it is expected to feature a high-performance hybrid powertrain inspired by Ferrari's racing technology. A powerful turbocharged engine combined with electric motors delivers impressive horsepower, making this motorhome one of the fastest and most responsive in its class. Acceleration feels smooth yet powerful, and highway cruising is effortless. The advanced suspension system adapts to different road conditions, providing a balance between sporty handling and comfort. Ferrari's expertise in chassis dynamics ensures that, even with its size, the motorhome feels stable and confident on winding roads. Regenerative braking and advanced aerodynamics improve efficiency while maintaining Ferrari-level performance standards. Technology plays a huge role in the Ferrari motorhome. It includes advanced driver assistance systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and 360-degree cameras. Smart energy management systems optimize power usage, making it suitable for long journeys without frequent stops. Solar panels integrated into the roof help power onboard systems, adding an eco-friendly touch. Now let's talk about pricing. The Ferrari motorhome is positioned as an ultra-luxury concept, and its price reflects that exclusivity. Estimated prices are expected to start around $1.5 million and can go significantly higher depending on customization options. This motorhome is clearly not for everyone. It's designed for elite travelers, Ferrari collectors, and enthusiasts who want the ultimate combination of speed, comfort, and prestige. In conclusion, the 2025 Ferrari motorhome redefines what a motorhome can be. It challenges traditional ideas by bringing supercar performance, Italian luxury, and futuristic design into the world of long-distance travel.